Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a powerful term that often brings to mind organized crime and secrecy. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as mafia, mafia, mafia. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as mafia, mafia, mafia. It refers to a secret organization involved in organized crime, originating in Italy and later gaining prominence worldwide, often associated with a code of loyalty and secrecy. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.